Hello everyone, welcome to Hessan Knowledge Channel. Today we are talking about the safe operation of the machine. The machine is paused with warning signs. When we hit the roller, please turn the roller and don't touch the surface of roller to avoid high temperature burns. When the machine is in production, please don't put your hand inside the machine. In case of emergencies, please press the emergency button or pull one switch to stop the machine. If you want to know more information, please keep eye on Hessan channel. See you next time.